Hi, you may already know me. I'm Bob McComb, and I'm inviting you to join me in my masterclass for commercial real estate agents and brokers. The classes are going to be hosted on Facebook Live, so you do have to navigate over to the Top Dogs Facebook business page and join. And there you're going to find more useful practices to help you succeed. Now, there's no cost to attend these classes. Whether you're crushing it as a broker or you've left some room for improvement, you will learn new techniques, tactics, and tips on how to improve your business. The master classes are going to offer new topics every 2 weeks, and you'll be notified of the topics, the dates, and the times via Facebook. The links you need are below. Why should you sign up? Well, because we all need teachers, coaches, and mentors. And if you think about it, everything you've ever learned, you learn from somebody else. And the facts prove that nobody gets to grade alone. So I look forward to seeing you there. And remember, you can always have a 30-minute no-cost career consultation with me by signing up on the website. And again, all the links you need are below. I look forward to seeing you.